How are you?
I am great. Thanks for asking. How about you, madam?
Yeah, I am also great. So can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. First of all, good evening, and thank you for giving me this lovely opportunity to take this call with you. So this
Hmm?
is Trina. I am 12 years old. I study in DA Public School in 7th standard. That is situated in Sahibabad, UP. I am the single child of my parents. My mother is a homemaker, and my father works in a private company. I belong to West Bengal, but I am growing up here in UP. Apart from
Mhm.
my studies, my hobby is dancing. I have been learning Kathak, which is a classical form of this dance, for last 5 years. Thank you.
Wow, nice. Have you ever visited Madhya Pradesh? Have you ever been?
I didn't visit in Madhya Pradesh, but my parents visited when uh, they were um, they were married, but when I was not born.
Okay. So who suggests you to learn this language like this, like make conversation to everyone and improve your English?
Well, no one suggested me. Actually, my mother started this language, that is English, because she was weak in this language. That's why she had the dream. So my mother said that okay, I would learn this language English, and also I would like to make my child fluent in this language.
Okay. Wow. So does your mother speak English?
Yes, whenever I start my daily routine or when I go to school, so my mother just say me every day that whenever you are getting up early in the morning, you have to start your day with English conversation with me also, with your friends also, with your friends at dance school also, and with your friends who are playing near my home. So you have to speak English whole day.
Okay. So in your school, like who loves you like any sir, any ma'am who you like most?
Well, I like to ma'am most.
Okay. Why do you like
Because I like their teaching ways and I like their be strict towards the children, and I like their most if they make us understand any chapter or lesson, so they make it very funny so that no one will concentrate what is happening around, but all children will concentrate what madam is teaching. So I like them most.
Okay, wow. So like where did you find me? On YouTube?
Yes, I found you on YouTube. Well, this was as I said that my mother wanted to learn this language English first of all, because I was nothing in English. Not even I didn't know the word of do. So
Oh,
my mother also didn't know the word of do, but she wanted this language to be regular with us. So that's why my mother started this type of my mother used to arrange this sessions also, but she is not in she does not do any sessions with any tutors as I am doing, because she feels very scared, very afraid also, and she shies also. So she says to me that you have to do, but all of the way goes to YouTube. So my mother watches YouTube every day on things like I want to learn English, so English conversation videos she watch every day. She watch some grammar concept lesson also. She watches many things regarding to her also, regarding subjects in my school also, and she watches your videos too. She loves that too also. So I
okay.
am also subscriber of your channel. So
Oh,
my mother watches your video every day, twice or thrice.
mhm.
So that's why I also watch your video.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for supporting me and subscribe my channel and watching my video. Thank you so much. So these days your holiday? Yeah, you go because it's winter vacation these days, na?
Well, my schools are open. While my schools are already open, it had gone winter vacations, but now it is again off because of so much extreme weather outside. So my schools are only off for 2 days, and then it will reopen on 23.
Okay. Okay. So do you love worship?
Yes, I like, but regularly my father does worshipping.
Okay. So do you heard about Ram Mandir?
Yes, I have heard it also, but I do not watch so many news on my television, because I am not fond of this. I only watch, if I watch, I only watch cartoons, and some motivational videos or conversation videos on YouTube and in television, but I do not watch many times news. It is only because of my father watches every day at night.
Okay. So, do you like you told me ki I watch cartoon videos. So, which cartoon like you like most?
I like most of the time, like I have two main cartoons at my television that I watch regularly in the time like 3 to 4.
Mm-hmm.
So that one is Dora and Explorer, and
Mm-hmm.
second is Peppa Pig. That I love the
So,
most.
like to watch in Hindi or in English?
Well, when I was born, so I used to watch television in front of the TV, and my mother used to feed me. So
Mm-hmm.
I used to watch TV in English only because our TV is not in Hindi language. Our TV is in English language, converted in English language. So my mother already when I was born, my mother said that okay, I am not knowing language, but I want that my child would learn this language from beginning, not
Okay.
like me that I am facing this difficulty in the time also. And my
Yes.
mother is facing now also, but now she's under control, not very good but not very bad, but it's in middle. So
Okay.
my mother said that okay, this channel should be in English. So whenever I watch any cartoon or when I watch any motivational video, I convert that video into English.
English, yes, yeah. I also do this. Whenever I watch any, I also like watch cartoon, and whenever I watch, because I don't like watch any serial and any movie, I only like cartoon. And you know why? Whenever my child, like your mother do for you, so I same thing I do for my kids. Same I did, and still I am doing. Whenever I watch any video, so I try to watch in English language, and whenever I watch any cartoon, so I say ki first you like a search English cartoon and you watch English cartoon. And I also love whenever my kids watch cartoons, so I also sit with behind them, and we are watch cartoon and we enjoy a lot.
So which type of cartoons do you watch?
Like these days, Mr. Binox. Do you heard about Mr. Binox? You
Well,
can search. You can search. This is very good channel, Mr. Binox, in English, both language available, Hindi and English both. So you can search in English, and it's very good channel. They teach us everything. They teach us, whenever you watch first time, so you love to watch this video, and that channel also. So it's very good. And okay, so you have any question for me?
yes, I have also questions for you, and you
Okay,
will
you
have
can.
to answer those also. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. So first question is that that is I am very curious to know about you. That is like what was your status? What was your like what can I say? What was your what was your atmosphere at home when you were a kid at school and in your surrounding in
Okay,
English?
when I was grown up proper village, and there are lots of fields surrounding bagicha. I don't know what say in English bagicha, and garden, mango gardens, yeah, mango gardens, and means lots of area surrounding, because I belong proper village. And there only one only there was not school. That time they are not school, only fifth standard school. So that's why I went all school only till eighth standard, because I didn't found school. And everything was very good. I used to play with my friends. I would play hopscotch. I would climb on tree and pluck a ripe mango and eat a lot. So
Were
yeah, I enjoyed. Haha.
were you afraid when you were climbing on tree?
No. I told you I grown up proper village. So when I watch kids, so I used to every time do this. Like when I kids, so climb on. I would climb on tree and pluck them. So yeah, I and there were lots of monkey. So one time, one I told you, I tell you one thing. incident. So once one monkey came in my sight, and I would have prayed, oh my god, monkey is coming. Then I would run and run and run. Then my mother and father, they came and they saved me. Yeah, so yeah, I was enjoyed a lot my childhood.
Okay, was there any surrounding of English?
No, no, dear, only my own language, Bagheli. Not a
Okay,
Hindi, not a English. No, I just started learning this language, not like not like a speaking part, well, like reading and writing. When my elder one started going to school that time, and speaking part I only started last 4 or 5 months.
okay.